Welcome to the StreamNative Academy channel. I'm Dawn Lehman, the Director of Training and Documentation at StreamNative. We put together this channel to help you learn about Apache Pulsar. This channel is organized into playlists, Learning Apache Pulsar Made Easy, and playlists for using Pulsar on StreamNative Cloud. There's a playlist for you, whether you are new to Apache Pulsar, a developer who wants to master Apache Pulsar, or an operator who wants to architect and support Apache Pulsar. We hope you find the explainer videos, how-to videos, and demos helpful in getting you started. You can continue learning about Apache Pulsar by taking our live instructor-led training classes, or going to StreamNative Academy, where you can take online courses and get hands-on practice with our virtual labs. And of course, you can always check out the documentation for deeper learning. Please subscribe to our channel. Check back often to see new content and happy learning.